Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to generate cinematic AI images like this. So don't waste our time, let's start. At first open Chrome on your phone or PC and search gemini.google.com. Click on Create Image. Import your image. Paste the prompt that I gave on my description box. And click here. Wait and get your result. Done. If you enjoyed this cinematic AI style, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. More creative AI content is coming soon. Thanks for watching.